Hey, what up, guys? It's Tyson from AI TalkPros. In case you don't know us, we are an AI call center service. So anything you ask humans to do over the phone, we do for you with a voice AI that sounds exactly like a real human. So today we're going to show you how we integrate calendars into our system in order to set these appointments without creating any conflicts for you. So, whatever business you're in, whether you only have one calendar, one person who's taking all of your sales calls. I'm on my walking treadmill, by the way. If you have a round robin and you need to distribute that to a lot of people, we can set that up. It's no problem. But the big thing is having your calendar checked for conflicts. So any appointments that you might have coming from other sources, online forums, etc., you don't get double booked. Now, if you have a round robin and you have a lot of closers on your team, it's not that much of a problem. The more appointments, the merrier. But if you are a, say, insurance agent and you can only take one appointment at a time, you work by yourself, you don't have a team to take the overflow, then this is very important. So I'm going to show you how we do that today. Okay, so in this case, I'm logged in as myself on this client's account, and I would set this up as a Google Calendar. For them, it's going to be an Outlook calendar. And how I've gotten here is I've gone into settings, logged in as myself, my profile. This is Go HighLevel. And I scroll down to this section here. But sometimes the situation is a little bit weird. You could have a very controlled calendar process. Say you're part of a larger company and they control access to your calendars. Well, on your Google Calendar or in your iCloud calendar, for example, you're going to have existing appointments on there. So what we can always do is set up another Google Calendar where you tie it in as a read only. Now it's going to see that appointment and give you the details, but we won't be able to add to that calendar. So what we'll do is we'll add to the secondary calendar that we've created. And then all those appointments will appear in the same place, and it won't write over any of the new appointments that we have coming in. So I'll go ahead and connect that iCloud calendar. Just a moment. Actually, let me correct myself. This is going to be the Outlook calendar I'm going to set up. So as you see, it takes me over to the Microsoft sign-in page. So I'll enter my information and then we'll continue. Okay, so now I have to make sure that I'm okay with it having all this information, and of course I am. So we'll accept. And here I am back on Go HighLevel, and it's blurred out, but you can see it. It accepted the integration. So on to the next step. And I'm here looking at my calendars. I have Google, Outlook, and as you can see, it's already connected. Up here and click Save. Guys, and that's it. That's all we have to do. Now the calendars are synchronized, integrated, and anytime somebody sets an appointment, we're not going to have any overlap. It's going to make it very easy going forward. If you do decide to do this, each one of your staff members needs to log in, and it's very easy to create a login for them. And they will go ahead and add their specific calendar so that they don't have any schedule conflicts on their schedules. And again, if you need call center services, whether that's a receptionist or you need sales or you need customer service, whether you need just one person answering the phones, making calls, or you need a team of 10,000, 100,000. We can scale to whatever volume you can throw at us. So from solopreneurs to Fortune 500 companies, we can handle all the call volume, and we just have to go through this little bit of setup. It's easy to do. The AI sounds and talks like a real person. Oh, and I did want to give you guys an update. So the other day I made a receptionist to answer my calls while I was away. And it worked fantastic. The AI answered all the calls. Nobody knew they were speaking with AI. It took notes for me. It set appointments. And I did all my follow-ups when I got back. Business goes on as usual. So the proof is there. It works. We have this working for multiple different clients, and we can get it working for you too. It's really a game changer. So imagine being able to handle 10,000 calls, up to 10,000 calls within a single minute. Just the volume is crazy. So let us know. Visit us at aitalkpros.com, and anything else, just reach out. Have a good one.